You have been suspended. This is the message we all see when we try to open a new account on eBay. It doesn't make much sense to claim that this suspension is caused because you had an existing account before, because even if you are very new to eBay, you will still get suspended. The information that will be revealed in this video will be based on my good friend who works inside eBay's restrictions and suspension department. Now I know you might say I make these things up, so here's proof to show the internal eBay agent's working dashboard. The agent and I have a lot to speak about. I worked on eBay for many years, while he worked within eBay for many years as well. So, the first time I met him, my first question was, why? Why do all new accounts on eBay get suspended right from the first day? In those years of working on eBay, I successfully created multiple stealth accounts, but it's becoming increasingly difficult to create an eBay account, even if you are new to eBay. My curiosity made me ask him multiple questions about eBay, which doesn't only focus on suspensions. But for today's topic, what I would like to share with you is information on eBay stealth accounts. I think the reason you are here most likely is that you got suspended from eBay and you are looking for a way to get back to eBay and sell normally as you did before. The one special thing I need to say from my own experience is that you should first create a decent system of how to sell and what to sell on eBay to avoid getting suspended, and only then should you look for answers on how to create an eBay stealth account. This is because you don't want to be suspended from eBay again. Don't repeat the same mistake, because if you are going to sell the same items and behave the way you did before, you will be looking for videos in the future on how to create stealth accounts again. The very serious thing to think about here is, when will the last stealth account be created? I mean, if it's getting harder and harder to create eBay stealth accounts, in a year or two, the chances will be minimal. From what I saw and the information I got from the agent, I realized that registration on eBay will be possible only through official eBay agents in the near future. The main goal for today is to keep your account active for as long as possible and do the right thing. If you get suspended on eBay, you deserved it, and there is no such thing as being suspended for no reason. When you get suspended, you have to understand why it happened before you sell again on eBay. If you fail to do that, chances are the very same thing will happen to your new account, and I'm not talking about the newbie suspension once you register. I am talking about suspensions that will happen after weeks, months, or even years of selling on eBay. This is very crucial to understand. You made some profit on things that are not allowed, and now it's your best time to do things that are allowed and build a long-term business on eBay. I know you want to sell on eBay, but otherwise, you will not watch this video right now. These are the real reasons why your account gets suspended after you create it. eBay is run by artificial intelligence, which doesn't really care about you. You are new here, and you must be suspended. There is a 1% chance you will dodge the suspension by doing something that will not trigger eBay's automated algorithm. But honestly, no one ever knows what to do or not to do. Even the eBay agent told me that eBay is ridiculous when it comes to new account suspensions. But there is one good point you should know. When you are registering a new account, you have two options. First, you can register as an individual or business. Individual accounts do last longer if you are only going to sell used items from time to time. These types of accounts are not meant to do huge sales in terms of revenue. So, you are going to be fine if you only want to sell your used items. But that's not really what all of us want. Therefore, we have the second option to register as a business seller. When registering as a business seller, you also have two options. One is that you are conducting business as a person, and the second is that you are conducting business as an entity. If you choose to do business as a person, this is where you get suspended way more frequently, but you will be able to open more accounts in minutes if you know the stealth method. However, if you are going to register as an entity, then you are going to be fined more often than suspended. The problem that occurs here is that if you register as an entity, you cannot register other stealth accounts with the same company so easily. If you ever wish to register other accounts, you will have to open a new company. You have to pay for everything. Those accounts are much more powerful, and you have the option of hiring a personal manager. If this happens, you are safe, and you will not be suspended. Even if you are, your account will get reinstated no matter what. Speaking from the perspective of my friend who works on eBay, He doesn't know anything about the suspension, but he does know that those suspensions can be lifted easily if you get in touch with the right agent when contacting eBay customer support. The problem here again is that you most likely are not going to get the right agent, and if you contact eBay customer support too often, then they will give you an IP ban. This means you are no longer eligible to chat with eBay. That's sad, but that's the reality of eBay accounts these days. After hearing multiple complaints from various Facebook communities about eBay shutting down their accounts, I decided to stop putting so much effort into eBay and focus more on Amazon. As you have watched this video, you might be wondering how to create an eBay Stealth account. If that's the case, click on the video on your left. If you would like to know how to increase your eBay sales in a few steps that trigger the algorithm, click on the video on your right. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.